If you're looking for a comfortable gaming chair, I want to show you the GT Racing. Now, I like several things about it. Number one is the assembly. It's not that difficult. You do have to put it together, but you basically start with home base here, put the wheels on, connect this. That's pretty simple. The strap here took me a little while to figure out how to put the back headrest pillow and the bottom pillow on, but I should have just read the directions, but it's basically pretty simple. You just put everything through there and connect it on, and then for the headrest one, you put it through there and the headrest will be there. There is Bluetooth speakers on here, so you can connect your gaming device or your phone or whatever has Bluetooth, and then this is kind of right behind your ears. There's also, this comes out here, and then the footrest pops up. I never use it honestly, but it is a feature if you're playing a video game and you just want to kind of lean back and relax. That feature's there. I just kind of keep it like a traditional chair, and I don't even use this for gaming. I use this for my job. So I do a lot of meetings, I do some podcasting, some audio work, and I just want the comfort of this gaming chair. So you can raise the height, you can lower the height. It's very, very comfortable. So I know most folks that get one are getting it for gaming. I got it for business, but it's very, very comfortable. And when I'm on Zoom calls and business meetings, they can't see my chair, so they don't know it's a gaming chair, but I just got it for the comfort. So GT Racing is the brand, and it's very comfortable. If you're looking for a gaming chair, I want to show you the ultimate gaming chair. So this one right here, it's got the footrest feature, and I'm going to show you all about this chair. So a little spinaroo. Pretty comfortable. So let me show you about the assembly and how simple it is to put together. So out of the box, you're going to have to basically connect the main piece to this right here, but it is very simple. And then you have straps here in the back for your pillows and your headrest. So these are very comfortable, this little neck pad. And then you have one down by your lower back, which if you're playing games for a long time is very comfortable. I actually use this. I am a podcaster, so I'm not a big gamer. My cameraman is, but I'll spend hours working in a given day, and it makes it very comfortable. It's squishy. It's just comfortable to sit in. You do have these armrests that move and things of that nature, and you have your adjustable area right here, so you can make it go higher or lower. This is very comfortable. It's got wheels and things of that nature, but the main reason you would get it is the comfort. Now, I never use this feature, but it does have Bluetooth, so if you want to connect your, what do they have? It's called the Nintendo 64, cameraman?
About 25 years ago.
You're kidding me.
No,
I thought
Nintendo 64.
That's
a long time ago.
okay. Well, you set up. I remember my cousin had a Nintendo, and then it came out that N64 is the popular. They got a newer one now.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's the
Well, anyway, you can
Switch.
the Switch. Whatever game you're playing, you can tell I'm not a gamer, but you connect your game, the audio through Bluetooth, and then it will play in these speakers here right by your ears. But I don't use that feature, but it does come with it. And the way you connect it is there's a little device that they give you. You just turn it on, and then on your phone or your device, you'll just have to Bluetooth sync it. So pretty cool. I've been using this for probably 3 years now, maybe 2 years, and it's hold up. A little bit of wear and tear, but that's because I use it pretty much every day. So highly recommend this gaming chair.